Today's session will study about the concept of angles and the different cyclone like triangles, rectangles, square, right angle triangle, Pythagorean theorem, perimeter and area of triangles, rectangles and circles. In In a plane geometry, an angle is figured by two rays called sides of the angle. Example, sharing common endpoint called vertex of the angle. This is called vertex of the angle. An angles smaller than 90 degree are called acute angles. Angles equal to 90 degree called right angles. Angles larger than right angle and smaller than 180 means angles larger than 90 degree and smaller than 180 degree are called obtuse angle. Here we study about triangles in this video of today's session. A triangle is a cyclone with three edges. A triangle is a cyclone with three edges and three vertices. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Types of triangle. There are different types of triangles. Such as equilateral triangle. This is a triangle where its every side is of same length. For example, if it is 5 cm, it is also 5 cm and it is also 5 cm. And an equilateral triangle is also a regular cyclone with all angles measuring 60 degree. It means an equilateral triangle all angles measuring 60 degrees means each angle is 60 degree. This angle 60, this angle 60 and this angle 60. Then we move to isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has two sides of equal length. Two sides of equal length. An isosceles triangle also has two angles of same measure, namely angles opposite to each other sides. Same angle. Then we move towards scalene triangle. A scalene triangle has all its sides of different lengths. Equivalently, it has all angles of different measure. Here we can see that its one side is 2 cm, another is 10 cm and another is 8 cm. And also its every angles are different from each other. A right triangle or right angled triangle has one of its interior angles measuring 90 degree. Here we can see that it is the angle of a right angled triangle which is 90 degree. A right angle, the side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. We can symbolize it as h. The longest side of the triangle, it is the longest side. Longest side of the triangle. Perimeter and area. Formula of perimeter and area of a triangle, such as, let us understand from the example. Let the length of three sides of an angle be ABC. Here, they said that the length of three sides of a triangle be ABC. ABC. It is the length. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle equal to ABC. Perimeter equal to A plus B, A plus B plus C. Area of equal to half into base into HGST, half into base into height. It also written as half into B into H. If the sides are given, S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S equal to half A plus B plus C. Let the side of an equilateral triangle be A. Then perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3A, because A plus A plus A. Area of equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into A square. Then I study about Pythagorean theorem. It states that the square of the hypotenuse, the side opposite to the right angle, is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. It means C is equal to C square is equal to A square plus B square. Here the small a, small b and small c denotes, small c denotes the capital C and opposite side, sorry, the front side is denoted as a small c, whereas the capital B front side is denoted as a small b. Here you can clearly see that it is denoted as a small b, and also edge opposite front side is denoted as a small b. Then we study about with some questions. Find the perimeter of the angle having length of the sides 5 cm, 8 cm and 7 cm. We studied or observed that the formula of a perimeter equal to a plus b plus c. Then here is 5 cm, 8 cm, 7 cm equal to 20 cm. So our triangle's perimeter is 20 cm. Then we move to another question. Find the area of the triangle whose sides measures 13 cm, 14 cm and 15 cm. Here we solve this question by draw a triangle. Name its angles and length of its 13, 14 and 15. Previously we observed that the formula of the area of a triangle, if all sides are given, is that the area equal to s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c whole root, where s is the half into a plus b plus c. So as I said, opposite side, the front side of capital A is denoted as a small a, and also it is also small b, and it is small c. At first we figure out the cm or length of the s equal to half into a plus b plus c. Half into a equal to 15, b equal to 14 and c equal to 13. Then 29 and 39, 42, half into 42, 21. So s equal to 21 cm. Then we can easily figure out its triangle's area by this formula: s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c whole root. Here s is 21, a is 15, 21, b is 14, 21, c is 13 whole root. And according to the Bodmas rule, No, 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 no. I solve it. 21 subtract 21 15 6 into 7 into 8. 21 into 6 equal to wait, 126, and then 7 to the 14 14 for 18 1 7 8, then 8 6 5 6 7 0 5 6. The square of 84. Let me move to another question. Question number 3. Let the perimeter of an equilateral triangle be 27 cm. Find the length of its sides. We studied that an equilateral triangles all sides are same length, and its all angles is 60 degree. So here it is provided that the perimeter equal to 27, 3a equal to 27, a equal to 27 by 3, 9, 9. Let move to another question. Find the area of the equilateral triangle having sides of 8 cm. Let's draw the triangle. 8 cm, 8 cm, 8 cm, ABC. And here it is asked that to find out its area. How can we find that? Now, previously we studied that the area of an equilateral triangle is figured out by this formula, root 3 by 4 into a square. A square denoted here, the a denoted to the side of equilateral triangle. Then I can find out clearly that root 3 by 4 into is 8 square equal to root 3 by 4 into 64 16 root 3 cm square. As it is asked us to find out its area, we have to write its answer in semi-square. If it provided that its side's length is 8 meter, then we denoted its as a meter square, 16 root 3 meter square. Okay, and question number 5. Find the length of hypotenuse. Find the length of hypotenuse of the right angled triangle when the length of the base and perpendicular are 5 cm and 12 cm respectively. Here we can draw the rectangle, right angle triangle clearly and mention its ABC. It is the small b, it is the small c, and it is small a. It is the perpendicular, it is the base. Here the length of the base and perpendicular are 5 and 12 cm respectively. Hence 5 cm is base and perpendicular is, and it asked us find out its hypotenuse. How can we figure out its hypotenuse? Now we can find out its hypotenuse by simple formula or Pythagorean theorem. Mentioned that Pythagorean theorem that a square plus b square equal to c square means its base square and the perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. Equal to c square. Base square perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. 5 square plus equal to 25 plus 144. Hypotenuse square equal to hypotenuse square 169 hypotenuse equal to 169 equal to 38. Hypotenuse is 13 cm. Then I move to question number 6, the second last question of today's session. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its altitude. If the cost of cultivating the field at RS 24.68 per hectare The arms is 33.18, find its base and height. Relation area of the field equal to total cost by rate. Total cost by rate. .5 hectares. 1 hectare equal to 100 meter into 100 meter. Let's multiply it. Cancel and 135.30 meter square. Then let altitude x meter and base is 3x meter. Then half into 3x into x equal to 135 3x square into 135 3x square and 35 square equal to 53 90,000 and x equal to 90,000 meter. Thus base equal to 3x base 3 into meter altitude move to last question of today's session 7. The altitude drawn to base of the isolated triangle is 8 cm and perimeter is 32 cm. Find the area of a triangle. The altitude drawn, it is the altitude. Isoscale triangle is 8 cm. It is 8 cm and perimeter is 32 cm. There is 32 cm. Find the area. How can we find the area? Now, in the starting of this session, we started about isoscale triangle. Here, isoscale triangle. An isoscale triangle has two sides of equal length. its two sides equal length, and also two angles same measure. And these two angles are same measure. These are same. Let a b a isosceles triangle and a d is altitude. A d is altitude. Let AB equal to AC, AB equal to AC, then BC equal to 32 minus AB plus AC. Let AB is XM and AC is XM. XM 32 minus X plus X. So 32 minus 2X. Same. Since in an isosceles triangle the altitude bisects the base. Bisects means divide the base with same measure. It means if this part is 5 cm, this part is also 5 cm. It is example, not its actual length. I can figure out length following. We have BD and CD equal to 16 minus XCM. In triangle ADC, the altitude is base. So triangle ADC, AD square plus BT square equal to AB square. AD square BT square equal to AB square. AD square BT square equal to H square. And 0.8 formula is also x square equal to x square means 80. 8 square plus 16 minus x. X 320 by 32 10. So BC equal to 12 cm. BC equal to 32 minus 2x equal to 32 minus 20 equal to 12 cm. Now the area of triangle is half into B to H, half into B is equal to 12 and H height equal to 8. Hence its area is 48 cm square.